we're here again. We meet on the mat, day 29 in our yoga series. So these last few postures are really great to start to wind down the body, to start to release the breath and just tap into our parasympathetic nervous system, great before bed, especially this revolved belly pose, which is the pose we're going to come into now. So make your way onto your back. Again, however you want to, just like we did yesterday and the day before, as much control as you wish. And just find your back really softening in. Legs are gonna come out long, lower back flushed on the mat. And from this space, just start to draw the knee in towards the chest. Hug the knee in, give it a lovely squeeze. And gently, we're just gonna start to take some circles round in the right hip. Just finding the space for one way. Take them as big as you want or as small as you want. And then just taking it the other way, just finding this real space in the hip. And then bring it all the way back through center. Gently allow your knee to open towards the right, hip to open towards the right. Bring your left hand to your left hip bone. And just make sure your left hip is staying down. So you've got just the opening in the right. Now from here, start to cross the leg all the way over the body. Left hand comes to support this revolving leg and just let it land on the right thigh. Right arm comes all the way out long. And just bring the gaze all the way to the right hand, so turning the head to the right. Really roll your right shoulder down on your mat. And just take a few breaths here, finding this full release through the body. Noticing if there's any places of tension you're still holding onto. And can you just allow gravity to do the work? To just really allow your body to melt down, to melt into the mat. Softening all the way through. We'll take 3 deep breaths together. So take a big inhale. A big exhale. 2 more like that. Inhale. Exhale. 1 more. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, gently bring it all the way back through center. Right leg comes back in. Squeeze the right knee back into the chest and then switching over. So send the right leg out long. Give the left knee a lovely hug in. And then start to take your circles on the left leg. Taking it one way, just finding a little space. You might notice one hip is tighter than the other. So fine. Maybe take a few more circles in the leg that feels tighter. And then take your circles the other way. Give the knee a squeeze in, and then gently just invite the hip to open towards the left. Right hand comes to the right hip, just to keep it just grounding down. Finding this space to open the hip. And then cross the body. Take it all the way over. Right hand comes to support that left leg. Left arm out long and just find this spinal twist, this full release. Gaze to the left hand, turn the head to the left. Close down the eyes if it feels right. And just really allow the left shoulder to find the mat, to find a support. Letting gravity do the work. 3 breaths here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale 2. Exhale. Last one, make it really nice and nourishing. Inhale. And a deep exhale. And on your inhale, gently drawing all the way back through center. Hug the knee in towards the chest, give it a nice squeeze. And then send the leg out long. Arms down by your side. Tuck the tailbone, allow the back to really become flushed with your mat. And just take a few moments to land the body fully here, closing down the eyes, softening the face, just opening and closing the jaw. Letting the tongue fully release down in the mouth. And we'll take a deep inhale and a big sigh out through the mouth. Exhale. And just allowing yourself to stay here for as long as you can. Really finding full ease throughout the body. Taking this time to wind down. And either staying here for as long as you like, or starting to lift the heart back up, lift the chest. Coming to a seat. And closing this part of our practice on day 29. Namaste.